In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove section to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when you see that it's see-through, just let go. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. In order to restore it, hold your device's display, hit widgets at the bottom left corner, then look for Google app, click on it, scroll, and when you see search bar shortcut, hold it and drag it to the proper place. When you're finished, just let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!